I would like to say at the outset that I have developed the landing page many times before. So I can easily complete your project and design and develop a professional quality landing page for you. So hello sir, welcome to this video. I have read your project where you have given some requirements and you want to design a landing page, and I have read your complete description very well. So you have discussed your requirements and I know how to install WordPress and how to create a landing page using WordPress. So I want to show you a short video on how to create a landing page using WordPress. So first of all, we need to install our WordPress on our hosting. So first I'm going to my cPanel, and this is my cPanel. Then we need to search Softaculous, and you can see the Softaculous apps installer has been here. So I click on this Softaculous app installer. Then we have all of CMS and software has been here. So we need to install our WordPress on our hosting. So click the install button. Then we need to give the directory. Then we can select the WordPress version. So I just select the latest version of WordPress. Then you can give the admin name, then password, then email. Then click the install button. And now you can see our WordPress has been successfully installed. So now I'm go to the home page of our WordPress admin panel, and you can see bdwebfoundation.com/United States. So this is our current website. So we need to develop and design a landing page in 10 minutes. So already this video is 3 minutes, so leave the 7 minutes for a landing page development and design. So now we need to log in our backend on this website. So you can see administer URL has been here. I click on this link and you can see we have successfully logged our admin area on this website. So close the Softaculous, and first of all we need to install a new theme on this website. So add new, then you can see the search bar and I search the Elementor, and you can see the theme has been here. So now install and then activate. And now we have to install 3 plugins on this website. So first add new plugin, and then search Elementor, and you can see the Elementor website builder is here. So now install. Then activate. So our plugin is successfully activated, and once the Elementor plugin is successfully installed and activated, we need to install some more plugin. So one more, add new. I'm opening new tab, then search starter, and you can see the starter templates is here. So now install this plugin and then activate. So last we need to add one more plugin on this website. So now upload this plugin. So click on this and you can see the Elementor Pro version has been here. Then install. Also, you will not find the Elementor Pro version anywhere, so you must purchase it, and it has a market value of 1500, but I will not charge you any extra for it. So if you develop your website with me, I will give you back the plugin completely, which you will use in the future and can do website development by it. So now we have three plugins are here: Elementor, then Elementor Pro, and the Star templates. So first of all, we need to add a page for your one page. So add a new page, and then the title for your website page, then publish. And if we visit our home page, you can see this is a blank page, and reload one more and you can see this is a blank page. So I close the home page and you can see the home page is here. Okay, so now edit with Elementor, click on it. Our Elementor plugin and Elementor Pro plugin has been loaded. So now we need to hide the home name. So setting, then hide title. Then you can see the startup logo has been here. So click on this button and you can see lot of landing page has been here. From this, select the landing page that you like best. So I want to import this template. So click on this template and you can see there are 4 template has been here. So I need to install and development just one page for you. So you can see the home page is here. So click on this home page and you can see the import templates, also save templates. So I need to import templates. So the templates has been importing on our website, and you can see the template is successful importing our website. Then update, and if you can see this is the our home page and it has been completely blank, but if I reload this page, you can see our templates has been here. Also, if you want to change any color and any text on this website, just back to our development mode on this website and you can see, hello, I am Brain, I am a freelance copywriter and You can write your mind. So I'm typing, hello, I'm MD Alal from Bangladesh. Bangladesh, and I want to change the text color. So click on the style and you can see our text color. Okay. Also, you can copy the color style and paste it anywhere where you want to. Paste style, then paste style, then update, and now one more reload. So you can see our templates has been import and we have developed and some design on this website. So I show you in a very short time how I can full develop your project, and I know how to optimize a WordPress website that will make the landing page very fast. Also, I would like to inform you that I have not been able to show you the full development of their website in a very short time because developing a full website of course takes lot of time here. So I have just show you through a short video how I can develop the website for you. So this is my entry. Please winner me on your contest so that I can build and design a professional website for you. Thank you.